Okay, I'm going to be showing how to replace the contacts on this control housing. It's control housing for Direct Drive or Synoris, and these are the contacts I'm replacing. This one goes to the chain and this one goes to the rail. So you'll have to remove the cover of the control housing. The screw for it is here underneath the wiring cover. Back this screw out, make sure your light bulbs are taken out, and the cover just hinges and breaks away. The contacts I'm replacing are these, and this is this blue and brown wire that go into terminals 7 and 8. I recommend, just to make sure that you don't confuse them, cut the zip ties. Just to make sure you don't confuse them, only replace one at a time. Press the orange tab and the wire comes loose. So I'm going to take the brown one, which is the one that goes to the chain, out, and I can just grab it and pull it. And the whole thing comes out like this. Lay it off to the side. My new one goes in the same way that the old one came out. The wire goes in that hole. The contact clips into there. Turn it over. Plug it into terminal 7. Got to make sure that the colors are done correctly there. The blue one is this one. Pop it out. Loosen the wire from terminal 8. Pull the blue one out. Here's my new one. Goes in the same way the old one came out. These clips basically just pop into place. Flip it over. Plug the blue one into 8, the brown one into 7. And I'm actually going to take a zip tie and put this wiring back just the way it was, just to make sure that it doesn't end up somewhere that it shouldn't be. You can use small zip ties or a wire to do this. So now my contacts have been replaced. I put the control housing back on, make sure the hinges are lined up at the back. Control housing sits down here. And if you've replaced the contact, odds are that you'll also have received a pressure plate. Pressure plate installs over the control housing after it's been slid onto the end of the rail. And the screws just tighten down into the holes in the control housing. And that's it.